Welcome to our adventure series. Back in the car at midnight. Whoop whoop. Let's do this.
I'll whip you guys up for some cheesy noodle for some midday snack. Okay?
Let's got some watermelon, please.
Yep. Very environmental.
They're just little. Gotta close the door. You gotta remember to do it, okay?
But I can't close it.
You can learn. You can open it, you can close it.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice.
Oh, I can do that too. That made me a rocket.
Careful, not too deep, please. Ready, set. Bella, turn the trigger the other way. What are we trying to do?
Build a teepee.
Build a teepee.
Do you think these 6 will be?
Oh, she's bringing the chair over to sit with us.
And can I go back into over there so I can get some more sticks for my teepee?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little further away from the
Park.
park, which is only downpour, but
It's got a nice view
it does, and it's
away from all the other campsites.
yeah. So we're not annoying people.
That breaks the stick. Too hard. You have a wheel axe.
Yeah, but you can't use it. I can help you get that stick up there.
Oh, look, she said she found it.
Ready?
Whoa!
Yeah, coming. Whee!
Think you can do it all by yourself this time? You got it. I'm watching. 1 foot. Next foot, you got it. Pull hard. Oh, yay! Bella! You did it! Hold on. You're all the way down now. 3, 2, 1, go! Whee! Whoop.
Oh, the flower. Beautiful flower there. Coconut.
How do you go across that beam so darn fast? Yay! Look how staticky your hair is. Oh, you did. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
How many seconds is that?
I don't know. Good job, Bella. Look how mirror it is, guys.
Somebody
You can see the reflection in the water.
see something. Oh yeah. Oh me. Change into my scent.
You're gonna have to walk it out a little ways because of your. And yeah.
Hello, Mr. Snail.
I'm poking out.
This probably. Oh, careful we don't step on it. Okay, anyway, back to thought at hand. We were saying how Travis trusts that line. Hold on. There it is. Look at that.
What?
Hey,
That's how
that
big
was
I
from
can
like
eat.
our first fishing trip when we lived on the island, like 12 years ago. It's good.
Still
right?
doing us strong, I guess. It's gonna catch you a big fish today. Manifesting that.
Like,
Yeah.
because I am dead set to make it to those hot springs.
We will, yeah.
Like, I don't care even if we have to put them in the trolley and bike them for 26 kilometers.
Dad's so much slower now because he's a new pet mule. He's got the two bigs. I thought I'd pause and wait for your slow butt.
Sorry, I got 2 anchors in my boat.
There she does it. Burgers on bread because we are never prepared.
Never. Never.
But it teaches us how to think on the fly, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And it's raining. Guess where the gremlins are? Hiding away. Look at this gorgeous view. Gorgeous. Nice and chilly this morning. Alright, we have arrived. We're gonna hike up the trail and go check out some falls. Are you ready?
Yes. I can
Yeah.
on the camera.
So this falls was not on any hiking app,
I
but
can't see.
we found it on Google Maps. Travis did some research with Google Earth, and here we
We're
are.
finding waterfalls.
Let's go find them. You
Yeah. Yeah.
ready? Was she trying to walk over it?
I don't know. No,
Everywhere because it's nice and wet. Perfect prime territory for them. Working those tiny legs. She doesn't want to miss them now. She keeps like stopping and begging. See?
And then that one.
There's mushrooms everywhere. Trail, guys. It's that time of year. Mom has old man's beard.
Hey, I saw Noma.
You did?
Yeah, come here.
Okay, big steep hill, guys.
Daddy's hands nice and slow, guys.
Not like Dad has the proper foot attire for this.
If I hold him,
Nice and slow.
try not to scoot on your butt, okay? But yes, if you need to fall, land on your butt.
Right? Like, look at that little mushroom kingdom.
This is a life tree.
P? Yeah?
What is turkey tail?
What type of mushroom?
It's a medicinal mushroom.
Can we eat them?
No.
This one.
Well, we don't know what they are, honey, so the answer would be no.
Old man's beard.
This ground's pretty dry, baby, so they should be nice. Pay attention along this trip.
Why? What shape appeared this time?
We've got the 4-leaf clover this time.
4.
I'm not giving it to
Bella.
you this time. You lost my
Bella.
5-leaf.
Oh, baby. Whoa!
No closer, please.
Lily, you ran really close to the edge really quickly.
I can't wait to get down. I'm so excited
Take a
now.
picture.
Yeah.
Send it to my dad and take another one.
Yeah. You wanna? Can you pack her or what? You guys walk behind me. Walk nice and slow. Okay, there's a root section here. Watch your step.
There's root sections every one.
Okay, there's a rock at the bottom of this ledge here. Don't slip on it, please. Ah. We are not on the bottom side. Okay.
Abel, not too close. Back up, please. Abel, Lily, you guys first over Bella. Just hold on, let Dad get ready. And if you can't do it, just stop and wait.
Same with you.
Please stay on your bum.
Whoa! Yeah, no, you have to slow down, please.
Okay, same thing. Don't go too close to the edge. Bella, just wait. Okay. Stop and rest for a second because I need to drop some layers.
We didn't bring a towel with us.
No, we can use one of my jackets though.
The trip of 1,000 forgets. You're just gonna rock a big rock on the edge over there.
Where the water is thick.
I really wanted to get to that thing that the water goes out.
I'm glad we hiked up that, or hiked down that to get here. But should prove interesting to go all the way back up.
We're supposed to wait for your buddy. Yeah.
Buddy!
Barista. Bomba.
That's slimy.
He's getting cold.
Yeah.
All right, let's get ready. Time to head back up the hill. Yay.
Not too far ahead.
Finally up the hill. Whew. From a waterfall we have come. Oh, and up the big hill we go. Give me your hand, Bella. Let's do this. We did it. Tummies are rumbling, legs are tired. We are still very much satisfied. Oh, beautiful. We're so close though. Tell me what snacks you're gonna have again when we get there.
Watermelon.
Ooh.
And a Queenable. And a cookie. And a Weedle. That's all I have.
Oh.
And what else does I have?
We'll have to see. We got crackers and.
And I want crackers.
We made it.
What are you doing?
It's taking the bear banger off.
Why?
So it doesn't go bang.
Boom.
On, Dad.
All cozied.
I didn't realize you were recording.
And we're in. All buckled.
Yeah.
Are we buckled?
Yes. I'm
Alright, on our way home.
From the trips of 1,000 forgets.
Everything from ketchup to sugar to extra clothes for mom and dad.
We forgot the bacon.
And the bacon. But it was well worth it. We seen the waterfall, the kids played in the water. They did an excellent job up the hills
Yeah.
and camping at night.
The hike in was about 1 kilometer in. The elevation change wasn't very bad for the first little bit, but towards the end you have to start dropping down into the ravine, and it's basically just like steps of roots and rocks and gaps that we had to pass the kids through.
Yeah.
It made it pretty hard to film.
I hope I got a little bit of it going down the hill, but we definitely didn't get any of it going up the hill.
Yeah. The old pack mule dad was definitely at service.
Yeah.
I lost my flip flops.
Yeah, it was,
Had to do the hill barefoot.
Yeah.
Well, socked.
yeah,
But-
socks. So like, I don't know, that's almost worse. Wet, gross, slippery socks.
Yeah.
Ugh. Tired and hungry.
Yeah, very tired and hungry.
They slept okay in the tent though.
Lily was up a bunch.
Yeah, but that was because we fed her a bunch of hot chocolate before bed.
she couldn't go to sleep when the others did, so
Yeah.
she came out and enjoyed the fire with us.
There was a party across the lake, so we had some nice music.
We had live music pretty much the entire until midnight or whatever. And
Yeah. Our air mattress had a hole in it, so we ended up on the ground a couple times throughout the night.
I had to pump it up like
chilly this morning, but we had our pancakes and made it to our trek to see the waterfall. Maurice Creek Falls is where we went.
We went to Camp Cameron.
And yes, that's where we camped. We camped at Cameron Lake, not the one on Vancouver Island.
It's actually Cameron Lakes.
Cameron Lakes. Yes, because there's two of them.